You stopped running. I'm taking a video, Robbie. Run. Give him exercise. These are the girls, Emmy and Violet. They love feet. Let him catch you.
I don't think so. They're with their teeth.
Let him catch you.
I'm around.
Okay, run. Give him exercise, Robbie. Run up the stairs. Run up the stairs. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. They're fast.
Wait, this is...
Okay, here comes the other one. Oh, she's going to get my feet. Go get Robbie's feet. No, go get Robbie's feet. Go get Robbie's feet. Emmy, run up the stairs. Look. There's Robbie. Show her your feet, Robbie.
Feet.
Emmy, go up the stairs. Not my... Not my feet.